Welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to customize your Windows computer to have dark mode or light mode or a hybrid between both. Let's get started. To customize, hit Windows key and I or type in settings in the search box. After you open Windows settings, go to personalization. To customize if you want light or dark mode, go to colors. This you can choose your color. You can have custom, dark, which will turn your entire computer into a more dark mode theme, or you can have light mode, which is for the people who like light mode, and it will turn your computer into a light mode computer. If you want a hybrid, choose your color, go to custom. This you can choose your default Windows mode. This is your default Windows mode, which is for most parts of the computer. If you want your app mode, which is like your, applications, light, you can. If you want dark, you also can, to have it blacked out. If you want light Windows mode, you also can, but still prefer a dark app mode. I'll stick to dark mode. That's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.